Hello again guys, welcome to a new video and good morning Philippines and good afternoon Canada. Karon guys, namin sa kamuti sa Santiago Beach, White Sand. Own ni siya guys by the government guys, public ano ko ni siya guys, public ni siya guys. So no entrance, what ni siya bayad guys. So private owned by the government. So ayan guys, oh. So ano lang tayo guys, quick lang vlog tayo kasi guys medyo uulan ata. So okay guys, let's go. Ayun guys, as you can see guys, yun yung ulap guys, oh. Ayun guys, oh. Ang ano guys, ang medyo mabigat yung ano guys. Sa kuan pa guys, basta Bisaya ba dagom nako kayo. Ako kay dagom guys. Yun guys, maganda din dito guys, part pa rin to ng ano namin guys, part sa tour namin. Ayun guys, eh. So daghan lang siya mga kuan guys, mga bitong sagbot sa dagat guys, seaweed atay tawag ani guys. Unsay tawag ani guys. So I'm not too sure guys kung unsay tawag ani, pero dako kayo ang dagom guys. Okay, dagom. Okay, so kuan lang ta guys. Quick video lang ta guys, pakita ko lang yung Santiago White Beach Resort. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan, oh. So may mga ano rin tayo guys, punta din tayo sa canteen. So hindi muna guys ha. Yan guys, ano yan guys, resort yan guys, yung nakikita nyo sa harap guys. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayun. So yan, medyo umulan na guys. So quick video lang tayo guys ha, kasi mabasa yung cellphone ko guys. Ayan, ito rin yung ano guys, mga restaurant nila guys. Gusto nyo mag-order ng pagkain. Ayan guys, oh, cute puppy guys, oh. Cute puppy. Cute puppy, oh. Cute puppy, oh. Ayun, oh. Hello. Ayan guys, oh. Ayun. So, babalik na tayo guys kasi umuulan guys. So, ayan guys. So, ito po yung Santiago White Beach Resort. So, public po to guys ha. Public po to. Hindi po to, wala po to, ano guys, wala pong entrance fee. So, ayan guys. So, ano lang tayo guys. Probably, we end up the video right here. As always, thank you for watching. Stay safe and have a blessed weekend guys. Peace out yo.